Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer your items from the Fall Harvest world to the Garden Valley and grow a garden tree game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. Basically the Fall Harvest world is not permanent, so if the event is over, the items from this world will be gone forever. And before it happens, I would like to recommend you to transfer all the items from the Full Harvest world to the Garden Valley. And if you want to transfer your items, you can use this item, the magic meal. Okay, you can use this item. You can purchase this item from the gear shop. Just go to the gear shop of the Fall Harvest world and you'll find the magic meal right here. There are three types of the magic meal. The first one is the rare magic meal, and then the legendary magic meal, and the last one is the super magic meal. And what makes them different is the capacity. If you buy the super magic meal, you have more capacity to transfer the items from this Fall Harvest world. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys how you can use it. You're going to equip the magic meal, go to your gears menu, and you're going to click on anywhere. Then you can select the item, an item to send to the Garden Valley. Make sure that you choose the most valuable item, and you can send seeds, pets, or fruits. And yeah, just like that. So before the Fall Harvest world is over, you can purchase the magic meal as many as you can, so you can transfer more items from this world. Okay guys, and that's how you can transfer items from the Fall Harvest world to the Garden Valley in Croy Garden Tree game of Roblox Fall Harvest update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!